18,200 conquered on the Nifty as we speak, up 85 points. The next stop will be the 50-day moving average, 18,235. So we're still about 30 points away from that level. Banks are outperforming. Nifty Bank is now up 1.2%. That's more than a 500-point gain. And there has been so much drama and excitement this entire year end, right? It stayed true to what this year has been. On Friday, we had the big fall and then the recovery in the following 4 days of this week. For the week, the Nifty is up 2.2% with the mid-cap index up 4%. But let's get you some market opinion now on where we are headed. Nilesh Shah of Kotak Mahindra Asset Management. Listen into what he had to say.
The overall liquidity in banking system at the beginning of the year on 1st April, it was about 8 lakh crore. And then over a period of time, it kept on dwindling at about 2 lakh crore. Now, clearly, when liquidity becomes scarcer, then obviously there will be scramble for deposits, there will be higher interest rates. So my feeling is that right now, from asset side, market will focus on the liability side of the bank. Banks with better franchisee, better ability to raise deposits at a lower cost will do well. This year, the gap between return of equity fund and a debt fund will be fairly narrower. COVID impacted EBITDA margins. Clearly, there was a hit on inflation and there was effect of slowdown at the bottom end of consumption. Our feeling is that in December 22 quarter, the hit taken thanks to the stock correction coming in will be over, but the volume growth is something which we will be critically watching. Clearly, the market is discounting rebound in the EBITDA margins to June 22 quarter level rather than sustenance of September 22 EBITDA margin levels. In our opinion, over next 3 to 6 months, IT sector should bottom out in US and correspondingly in India. Investing in IT sector at this point of time is like catching a falling knife. You know there will be some blood on hand, but if you can catch the falling knife, eventually it will make money for you. One sector where we are reasonably bullish is infrastructure. We believe before election, every government will focus on building up of infrastructure. This budget, like last budget, there will be enhanced allocation to infrastructure sector. And even the private investment seems to be reviving, albeit it is taking baby steps. Two sectors where we have to accumulate now. They may not bottom out today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, but certainly over the next 6 months, they could provide good entry point is IT and pharma. Both sectors have been derated significantly. The volume growth or value growth in both those sectors are now in line with expectations of the market and could actually surprise on the upside. So IT and pharma provides great accumulation opportunity over next 3 to 6 months.
IT and pharma provide great accumulation opportunity over the next 6 months. Naren.